parents, Instacart here, and this season, we've got your back to school. As in, we've got your back when your kid derails your grocery trip the weekend before school starts because they have nothing to wear and hate everything in their closet, and ankle socks aren't cool anymore, Mom. But it's all good, because through Instacart, you can order all the groceries and school lunch stuff you need from the comfort of your ankle socks. I mean, home. Download the app to get delivery in as fast as 30 minutes and a $0 delivery fee on your first 3 orders, while supplies last. Minimum $10 per order. Additional terms apply.
If you love to travel, Capital One has a rewards credit card that's perfect for you. With Venture X, earn unlimited double miles on everything you buy, and turn everyday purchases into extraordinary trips. Plus, receive premium travel benefits like access to over 1,300 airport lounges where you just check in and chill out. Open up a world of possibilities with Capital One. What's in your wallet?
Terms apply. Lounge access is subject to change. See CapitalOne.com for details.